Hi everybody, this is Brandon Corbin, and if you know me, you know I have a lot of Twitter accounts, and so I want to show you a couple of the tricks that people don't like to talk about. So you have all these people that have all these followers and are following all these people, and you wonder how the hell do they have the time in the day to actually make that happen? Well, I'm here to tell you, friends, that it is bullshit, that they are actually using tools to increase their followers and to automatically unfollow people, and I want to show you that today. So take a look at my Loco Social, right? I've got 1,200 followers. Now keep in mind, I never really do anything with this account other than automatically post to it using a different tool. I won't get into that today, but this account has actually only been open for probably 3 months. So that's one's where, or my usability news one, which has 5,000 followers. So how do I do these things? And that's really what I want to get into today. And it's using a tool called TweetAdder. And here you can see kind of a handful of the Twitter accounts that I'm using to manage through TweetAdder. And really what TweetAdder does is it gives me the ability to automatically follow people, automatically unfollow people, search for people by specific terms, and we'll kind of get into that a little bit more. So let's take my Loco Social Twitter account. Right here's your dashboard for the various accounts that you have, and you can see by these icons what's actually running automatically and what's not. And this is really what makes TweetAdder very cool. Now, I only use this for a couple of the features, specifically the following and the unfollowing. Go to the follow screen here, and we can see that we want to have a maximum number of people that we want to follow is set to 500, and we can do a time delay so we're not just constantly hitting Twitter saying we need to follow new people. And my automation is on, so this automatically happens. So now how does it actually know what to follow? So I've got 7,419 people that I am going to be following, and this thing's just running all day and all night following these people. So let's talk about how I actually find the people that I want to follow. So I can do location-based searches. I can find people in specific areas. I can say anybody who has tweeted about PHP, I want to be able to search for those people, and it goes through each of the pages and it starts categorizing who they are. So I'm just going to stop it though, and you'll see that we're going to have, hey, there's 200 followers. So I can just hit save all, and it's going to automatically add that to my list, and now I've got 7,573 more people to follow. So that's absolutely killer. You can follow lists, you can follow users. Now, what I also love about the product is the unfollowing of users, right? So here I can go and I can specify, just like I follow, only unfollow 100 people per day, only send my unfollows every 3 to 5 minutes, and I can stop at a certain ratio. Now, I don't do that, I just let it kind of naturally happen. But what you can do is define who to unfollow. So I always select unfollow people who do not follow me back if they've been added through TweetAdder, but wait 3 days to kind of give them a chance to do it. So this way I can kind of naturally grow and build my list. Yes, people might say it's questionable, but I'll tell you what, folks, it works. Some other great features, you can do automatic tweeting. So if you want to schedule a bunch of tweets on a Sunday to blast out for the rest of the week, you can do that. This tweet generator, which I don't use. RSS feeds, you can go in and automatically pull in RSS feeds and have those be tweeted out. You can do retweets, so you can follow specific people and define keywords and then retweet it when those things are met. And same thing goes with replies. Now it also has the ability to do automatic thank you messages using direct messages. Now don't do this, it's crappy, it doesn't really work. I have it on a couple accounts and I never see any results from it, and it's really annoying for the user, so just don't use it. But overall, this is just one example of why TweetAdder rocks. You can see that I paid for the unlimited account, so I can have as many accounts as I want in here, but it's absolutely worth it. So you can check it out, and I absolutely guarantee you're going to love this thing. It's amazing. All right, thanks everybody.